Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the cooking fire in Windrose. Now if you check over to your build menu and then press right click, you will be able to find the cutting table right here, which is required for you to upgrade the cooking fire. Now in case this doesn't pop up on your blueprints, if you check over to your journal by pressing down J, go over to discovery right here, and then hover to copper ingot, you should be able to see the cutting table right here. This pretty much means that as long as you discover copper ingots, you should get the blueprint for the cutting table along with the sewing rack and the weaponsmith workshop. Now exit your journal, and if I check over to the cooking fire right here, if I check to the top left, it will say cooking fire 1. And if I go back to my build menu and I place down the cutting table right next to the cooking fire, close the building menu, go over to the cooking fire, and as you can see, the cooking fire is now level 2. So pretty much placing down a cutting table, you have effectively upgraded your cooking fire. And that's pretty much about it on how to upgrade your cooking fire in Windrose.